In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reauthorize or disconnect social accounts from Hubspot. Whether you're revamping your social media strategy or simply wish to tidy up the connections you have, managing your social accounts in Hubspot is an essential task. Let's walk through the process step by step to ensure a seamless experience. First, open your browser and head over to the Hubspot website. This is your starting point for accessing all the powerful tools HubSpot offers to streamline your business operations. Once there, look towards the top right of the web page and click on the Login button. Enter your login credentials to access your HubSpot dashboard. Now that you're on the HubSpot home, it's time to navigate to the settings. Look for the settings icon. It usually resembles a gear and is typically located towards the top navigation bar of your dashboard. Clicking this icon will redirect you to the settings section where you can tailor HubSpot to better fit your needs. Once in the settings section, you'll see several options. Among them, click on Marketing. This section houses various marketing tools HubSpot offers, from email to social media management. Now under the marketing category, click on Social. This is the area where you can manage your social accounts connected to HubSpot. Next, you'll see the social settings page, which displays all the social accounts currently connected to your HubSpot account. Take a moment to review the list of accounts to make sure they are ones you still actively use or manage. If you find an account that you no longer wish to link or needs to be reauthorized, look for the disconnect option next to the specific social account you want to alter. Clicking on this option will begin the process to either disconnect or reauthorize the chosen social media account. Once you make your selection, HubSpot might prompt a confirmation screen to ensure you're making the change deliberately. Confirm your choice to proceed with disconnecting or reauthorizing the account. This reconfirmation step is crucial as it prevents any accidental modifications to your social media integrations. For those of you who are disconnecting and plan to reconnect or reauthorize later, remember to have your social media credentials handy, as you'll need those when setting up the connection again. It's also a good idea to periodically review your settings to ensure everything is updated and functioning as intended. And that's it, you've successfully managed your social account connections on HubSpot. By keeping your integrations organized, you can ensure improved efficiency and accuracy within your marketing campaigns. Thank you for following along, and be sure to check back for more HubSpot tips and tricks.